हे गाइस, एम्स मलयालम के एक ബ്രാൻഡ് ന്യൂ ചാപ്റ്റർ में आप सभी का स्वागत है. എംസ് മലയാളംന്റെ പുതിയൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. So last time what did we do? We did verbs. We continued with verbs and we did present tense. So this time I told you that we will be doing the rules and we'll be understanding how each word was ending. So we saw 3 to 4 examples and we know that they ended with ta, ti or te. Now how these three came is what we are going to do today. Okay, so now you have seen a few examples. Do you think you are ready to learn the rules so you can make your own sentences? Well, let's see. Firstly, there's one more thing I have to tell you, and that is the subject of a sentence is simply the person or the thing doing the action. Okay, now in English we have learned subject and predicate. So what is the subject? If I'm talking right now, I am the subject. I am talking, so I will be the subject. Easy. So for example, the subject in the sentence he walks is he. So that means the doer is the subject. Verb is a doing action and subject would be the doer. That is who is doing the job. Okay, so and the subject in the sentence, they swim. The subject would be they, because who all are swimming? They are swimming, so they would be the subject. Okay, ഞാൻ നടക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ സബ്ജക്റ്റ് എന്താണ്? ഞാൻ. ഞാനാണ് ആ ആക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യണേ, അപ്പോൾ ഞാനാവും ആ സബ്ജക്റ്റ്. Okay, that's it. Have you got it? Okay. Now in Hindi, the verb must agree with both the gender of the subject, whether it's a male or a female, and the number. Number meaning whether there is just one person or many. Do you get it? Matlab, to say it means that whether there is whether it is singular or whether it is plural. Okay, കുറേ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ only one ആളെ ഉള്ളൂ. This can be little confusing to understand because it is not something we are used to in English, not even in Malayalam. In Malayalam, always a verb, if it's in present tense, it would end with nadkunnu, pounu, like that. Appa, it may be one person, it may be multiple person, it may be a female, it may be a male, it doesn't matter. All of them ends the same way. But in Hindi, it is not like that. Hindi, the verb depends on the gender of the subject, as in if the subject is a male or a female, as well as if there is only one person or there are many person doing it. Okay, now let's start with the rule. So the first rule is when the subject is masculine singular, that is when it is just one person and it is a male. Okay, so we add ta to the verb root. Okay, we add ta to the verb root. मैं खाता हूँ. Remember that example? So we said that this is for a male. So it is for a male. So we ended kha ta. Ended with ta. Okay, that is the first bullet point that you should remember. Second is when the subject is masculine plural or feminine plural. That is when it is a group of male or a group of female or a group of mixed gender, we have te. What do we have? Te to the verb root. Okay. Like we drink. so हम पीते हैं. Okay, so we ended with they. Remember that. Third bullet point is when the subject is feminine singular, that is if the person is a female and the person is just one, then what do we add? We add ti to the verb root. Okay, like if I am saying मैं खाती हूँ, so खाती, ti would be at the end. Okay, so இப்போ ஒரு male ஆனு male singular ஆனு we will use an ஆனு singular ஆனு we will use ta. ஆனோ பெண் ஆனு plural ஆனேங்கி, okay, we will use te. And pennum ஆனேங்கி, only a single pen ஆனேங்கி, we will use ti. Okay, good. Now again and again watch this portion so that you understand it very nicely, because that's the most important part of today's lesson. And again, once more, do you understand it? Okay, now we are going to do another example together. If we wanted to say I sleep when spoken by a female, if suppose I am the one saying I am a female, so I am a girl, so if I have to say I sleep, first of all let's start with the previous lessons we did. I would be मैं. Okay, I would be मैं. And what do we have? We have sleep. Just ignore the sleep, but if I am saying I sleep and we want to know how मैं will end. मैं will end with who. Fixed मैं and who. Now sleep. Sleep, to sleep in Hindi it would be sona. Okay, sona. So what did I tell you? Infinitive minus the na. So it would be so. The root would be so. And what do you have to add now? I am a female. Remember, so we'll add third bullet point. We'll add ti. So soti. The sentence would be मैं सोती हूँ. Okay, so I sleep, ஞான் उறങ്ങുന്നു, and मैं सोती हूँ. Now if you have noticed in English, there is no problem if it is male or female. It's just I and it's just sleep. Okay, no difference. But and also in Malayalam also ஞான் उறങ്ങുന്നു, no difference. Okay, but मैं सोती हूँ. Had I been a male, I would say मैं सोता हूँ. Okay, good. Now, did you follow that? Fantastic. If not, again watch it and try to understand it, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have a question. Okay, now let's see one more example. This time we are saying they speak. What do we say? They speak. So now they speak. By reading an English sentence, you will not understand whether it's for a male, group of male, or whether it's for a group of female. But I am telling you it's for a group of male. Okay, there is a group of male who are speaking, so I am saying they speak. How will you say that in Hindi? Let's start from the basic. If we have they, we will say ve. If we have ve, what will we end it with? We'll end it with hai. Okay, so ve, hai. Fixed. Now speak in between. What do we say for speak? Speak is bolna. It is bolna. Okay, to speak is bolna. But we have to minus the na, so it would be bol. Now we know it is a group of male, so whenever a group comes, what do we add? We add te. So bol plus te, bolte. Okay, so वे बोलते हैं. Got it? वे बोलते हैं. Now let's see some more examples. I speak, said by a female. I speak, I would be मैं would end with हूँ. Speak would be बोलना. बोलना minus ना would be बोल. बोल, I am a female, so I'll add ती. Okay, so it would be बोलती. मैं बोलती हूँ. I speak, न्याम परनु, मैं बोलती हूँ. Now he sleeps. Now we know the gender. He means male. So he sleeps. Hindi, he, we'll say वो, or we can also say ye. Okay, वो or ye, depending on the distance. But right now we don't know, so we let's say just वो. So वो would end with है. Even if it is ye, it would end with है. Okay, because singular. Now sleeps. Sleeps is सोना. सोना minus ना. To sleep is सोना. सोना minus ना. So male. Male we will add plus ता. So वो सोता है. He sleeps. अवन और मुन्नू, वो सोता है. Okay. They eat. All male group. Okay, all male group. There is a male group who are eating, so we say they eat. Now for they we have वे. वे would end with है, and eat. खाना. खाना. So to eat is खाना. खाना minus ना. Now we have a group of people doing something, so we'll add ते. Okay, so खाते. वे खाते हैं. वे खाते हैं. They eat. അവർ കഴിക്കുന്നു. वे खाते हैं. Okay, she drinks. She is female. Okay, so she would be ये, she would be ये or वो. Let's go with ये this time. So ये. Okay, and ये would end with है, and drinks. पीना. पीना minus ना. To drink is पीना minus ना. Female, add ती. So ये पीती है. Okay, she drinks. അവൾ കുടിക്കുന്നു. ये पीती है. Okay, last example for today. We eat. We said by all female group. Okay, now by we are not understanding whether it's male or female, so I am telling you it's female group. So what do we say? We would be hum. Hum would end with hai. Okay, and hum is ending with hai. Eat is khana. Khana minus na. Now female it is. So are you gonna add ti? No, you are going to add, since it is a group of female. Okay, group of pengutigal. So what you are going to do? We are going to add te. So हम खाते हैं. So we eat. ഞങ്ങൾ കഴിക്കുന്നു. हम खाते हैं. Okay, so that's it for today. I wanted to tell you the rules. I told you 3 rules. Revising it again, we have ta, te, ti. Whenever you are talking about a male person or angutti, purushan, we'll say ta. Whenever we are talking about a group or a samuham, so irrespective whether it's male, female or mixed, we'll say te. Okay, and whenever we are talking about a female or a pengutti, strigal, we'll say ti. Okay, ta, തേ തീ. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എവിടെയാണ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് കാണുന്നത്? വി, ദേ, ഹം, വേ, യേ. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദീസ് വുഡ് എൻഡ് വിത്ത് തേ. എവിടെയാണ് മേൽ കാണുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ, ഹി, അവൻ, ഇറ്റ് വുഡ് എൻഡ് വിത്ത് ത. എവിടെയാണ് ഫീമെയിൽ കാണുന്നത്? അവള്, ഷീ, ഇറ്റ് വുഡ് എൻഡ് വിത്ത് തി. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can always ask. So thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping the patience. So that's it for today. Until next time, bye bye.